Meow, meow. Meow.
Meow.
When the sign is on, you should fasten your seatbelt.
Also, you shouldn't run around on the plane.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
First, you have to wear your seatbelt. Sit nicely and buckle up. Don't be afraid, it's gonna be a great day. Whoosh, 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 we're flying so high. Whoosh, 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 up in the sky. Airplane, airplane is so much fun. Inside the clouds we fly, fly, fly. I want to use the bathroom. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Not yet, baby, the light is red. When the light becomes green, you can go then. Look, now it's green and it's your turn. Whoosh, 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 we're flying so high. Whoosh, 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 up in the sky. Airplane, airplane is so much fun. Inside the clouds we fly, fly, fly.
My seat is very messy. Oh, better now. Oh, better now.
No that's not right at all. We don't throw trash on the floor. You can put your trash in this bag, hooray!
Whoosh, 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 we're flying so high. Whoosh, 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 up in the sky. Airplane, airplane, it's so much fun. Inside the clouds we fly, fly, fly. Airplane, airplane, it's so much fun. Inside the clouds we fly, fly, fly. Yay!
You can't hide in suitcases. Meow.
Meow. Meow. Plants are not allowed. Meow. Oh. Meow.
This is my perfume.
Do not take toxic substances on the plane. Re. Meow. You can't take junk food and a lot of liquid with you. Meow. Meow. It is dangerous to enter unknown rooms.
I'm looking for a bathroom.
Oh. This is a boys' bathroom. This is a bathroom for mommies with babies. This is a bathroom for disabled people. And this is a bathroom for girls.
Where is my mommy and daddy?
If you are lost, then you need to go to the information desk. Lucy's mommy and daddy. Come to the information desk. In public places, you shouldn't leave your parents.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Leo, you can't get on luggage tape.
I'm sorry.
Don't run away from us. It's easy to get lost here.
Leo, you took too much stuff.
Oh no! They left without us!
Kids, don't cry. I'll take you to your parents.
Leo! Lucy!
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. If lost, ask for help from a policeman or a stewardess. No, wait.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Oh. It's important to keep the line.
Don and fasten your seatbelts. Leo, buckle up. Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Daddy, help me!
Meow. Meow.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Always buckle up to avoid falling. What should you do on every ride?
We should always buckle up.
Meow, meow.
Leo, buckle up. It's hot.
Meow. 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 Yeah. Do not stick anything out of the car window.
Do not litter in the car.
Why?
Are you okay? Leo, you can't throw trash out of the window.
I'm sorry.
Meow.
I want to go to the toilet.
Meow. Meow. Oh. Meow. Do 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 do. Oh. Don't worry, I'm the best driver in the world.
The monster wants to eat us!
It's not a monster, it's a car wash. And it's fun. We arrived.
In the car, everybody. Buckle up, let's wear a seatbelt. Clickety, clickety clack. Seatbelt will keep you safe. Clickety, clickety clack.
Mommy, mommy, help me. I don't like my safety belt. Mommy, please take it off. I don't like it at all.
Sweetie, your safety belt will keep you safe. Listen to mommy and sit up straight. Look what I got for you.
My kitty.
Daddy can sit next to you.
Get ready for a bumpy road.
Oh, look, my teddy fall down. Maybe it needs a seatbelt too.
I love that day at the park. Strawberry ice cream is so yum. Mommy, look, my favorite ride. Can we go?
Of course, let's go. Buckle up, let's wear a seatbelt. Clickety, clickety clack. Seatbelt will keep you safe. Clickety, clickety clack.
Mommy, mommy, help me. I don't like my safety belt. Mommy, please take it off. I don't like it at all.
Sweetie, your safety belt will keep you safe. Listen to mommy and sit up straight. Your seat belt will keep you nice and steady.
Mommy, look! My ice cream flew in the air. Maybe it needed a safety belt too.
Mini cars are so fun. I'm ready to go. I don't want to buckle up. I want to move freely in my car. Uh-oh, it won't start. Oh, I need to.
Buckle up, let's wear our seatbelt. Clickety, clickety clack. Seatbelt will keep you safe. Clickety, clickety clack.
Oh, watch out! Phew. My seatbelt keeps me safe and good.